I have
So I printed it out
I have actually two
on the 2.0 CottonSubs.
2.0s that I'm gonna do for my son today.
As y'all hear, I'm my ass watching the video as I'm doing
This one here is the J.
But
Cole. I don't know what you're looking at, but that's a J. Cole. I just played with it.
Printing
I don't
it
know
out
the artist
on my
name. I took some art
workforce.
that I saw online. I just played with it.
7720.
Made a shirt for my son. This is actually sublimation.
We're gonna.
This is actually pigment ink.
Continue.
Pigment ink.
We can cut
what
it.
I did, I took the pigment ink and I just, I bumped it up to like 19% saturation. Put a lot of color on it. I didn't lighten it up any because lightening it up was actually going to take away from the saturation. So I just actually said, you know what, I'm going to
let's see.
take it and
How it cut.
Put a lot of saturation on it. I think I probably did an auto tone and auto contrast. I maybe sharpened it up some as well.
I have a Cricut. This is the first machine I bought.
So actually, the pigment ink looks better than the sublimation ink, but
we're gonna let it do what it do.
Once I press this thing,
I'm not real sure.
So let's go ahead and peel these up
off
of
what to do.
Give me a hot second. Let me find my utensil that D gave me.
I think I'm gonna go sticker paper. Let's try that one.
I'm still using this
I'm gonna try it.
I appreciate you for hooking me up with this thing. Alright, so
push the button on the Cricut, and then the Cricut reads the lines, registration lines.
Guinea pig when I'm doing stuff like this, so I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see. Try to get behind the camera. Just take your little utensil and get up in there now.
I have to turn you down, folks.
It takes a little bit of practice.
Reading the registration lines. Sometimes you gotta turn the light off because it's a little light in there or something. See that little light?
So,
can y'all see that little light?
Guys, you be patient. I don't know if y'all saw that, but y'all be patient.
Sometimes it does that. Texture failure. Sensor marks on the printer could not be detected. So let's try it again. Sometimes the light be off.
Gonna cut it out.
So
well, I'm gonna peel this up off the film now.
Let's try it again.
It feels really good. It's kind of strong coming up off that film.
Light.
Here, guys. Slap that to the side.
Where to cut.
This is the material. It feels good in my hand. It's shiny on this side. It's matte on this side. It feels wonderful. Once again, this is the sublimation.
Let's hope we do it this time. Hope I don't got to turn this light off. I might have to turn the light off. Look like it. Yeah, did it again. So I'm gonna push pause real quick, y'all, and see if I can figure it out. Okay, I think it's because of this paper. It's too long on one side, y'all. So what I'm gonna do, bring it to my cutter and trim this so it registers. These Cricuts is funny, so stay tuned, y'all. Okay, so I cut it on my cutter to make it look more like it did. Here. So let's hope that it's reading it now. I might have to cut that side too. We're about to see, ain't we?
It look just like the print. So all we gotta do from this point, guys, is
throw
it in the wash. Let's see what happens with it. I think I'm gonna try to wait 24 hours. I don't know, because that's the recipe. That's what we should be doing. Excuse me, actually, we should be waiting 48 hours.
I don't know. I say it's cutting.
So I think I'm gonna slap it up in there and see what it does. I'm gonna see what it do quick. Yeah, it's good to go right now, man. Look good, feel good.
Okay. I heard feel good, but I know he ain't talking about me. All right, y'all. Be in a minute.
My picture here. So I just printed
After
off the
cut,
picture, 9 by 1 by 12 by 12. 9 point.
Just peel it off gently after the cut. We got one hand, y'all. Please forgive me. But yeah, just pull it up. It comes off pretty smooth. Comes off pretty smooth and clear. Alright, so let me do the next step, y'all, in a minute. Now we have it on the transfer. We're gonna put it on the shirt. And see what it do. I switched cameras, so I'm hoping that the other one show up, but if it don't, at least I got something, you know? I'm gonna go up a little higher because it's a small shirt. Get on this thing, you know. Put some shit on this motherfucker by mistake. I don't think I'm gonna put that over it. So it's a little lower than it usually supposed to be. Well, again, we're just testing it and trying to see if what it do. You got about another minute to heat up, 290, 15 seconds. In a minute, y'all. Came out pretty dope, y'all. Colors was there. Nice and smooth. To the touch. Cricut cutter. Probably cut a little better if you had a real cutter. Cricut do the job. Again, I used the Epson Workforce. Printed it out. CottonSubs 2.0. Watched a couple videos. And bam. Feel good about yourself, 100. Yo. Had to switch cameras on y'all real quick for y'all to see. Actually see this. Okay. Now, this is the printout. Making sure y'all can see this. Okay, that's the printout. And this is the transfer sheet. You gotta peel it somewhere. Find a spot that you can peel this open. And then you take your transfer sheet, sticky side down, and you put it, be careful though, because once you put it on there, it's over, bro. So what I'll be trying to do is like, I'll fold it right in the middle. So we can put it right in the middle. Because once it's done, it's pretty much over. I'm using my little scraper tool. Scrape it real good. Because what you're doing is contacting this before you can pull it up. And you'll be able to heat transfer it. And voila. And now we have a nice little printout. Trim it up a little bit so you can get it on there even. But it's ready for press. Alright. Give me a second, y'all. Because just the shirt I'm putting it on. Just to test it out. I'm testing it out on the shirt first. Later on, I'm doing it on a hoodie. But I only have one hoodie. So I don't want to flub it up. Alright, see y'all in a second.